Marabangon mangeg mo samit sa miweng niyaya. May sa papel na sinayang tasibay mo. Ako na ayayatin ka. Di may sanang petken ka, ket puso nga gurupabken ka, ket di mo pulos pagharupin. At nagtagain pen na ka, tu'y kantamang sagit na puso. Siyang tigrayo kenta sikalaeng biyag ko. Nga binawang kapatpagang mga dagkaon ka, awan makapulot, dadakat to'y puso. Sikalaeng biyag ko. Ayaw, para mo sa nag-request! Alright! Let's go! Arna Disco version. Di may sanang tetken ka, ket puso nga gurupabken ka, ket di mo pulos pagharupin. At tatagain pen na ka, tu'y kantamang sagit na puso. Siyang tigrayo kenta. Let's go! Nabinawang kapatpagang natagdaw ka, awan makapulot, dadakat to'y puso. Sikalaeng biyag ko. Nabinawang kapatpagang natagdaw ka, awan makapulot, dadakat to'y puso. Sikalaeng biyag ko. Sikalaeng biyag ko. Sikalaeng biyag ko. Alright, thank you so much. Yeah, maraming salamat po sa nag-request. Ayan, alas 3. Pre, alas 10 pa lang. Alright, I'll give you a Jojie song and all this song by Victor One. Victor One. Hey! Let's get it. We love you, Carmelita. We kiss and hold you tight. Myself and with some affection from your direction. If we love you, Carmelita, you don't know what I go through. There's no final way I'm thirsty. My heart is bursting in love for you. Did your mother ever tell you not it is a running keys? I'm a man, you're a woman. It's only you po sa nag-request ng Okara. 1, 2, 3, 4! Nag-request ng huli-huli katulong. Ayan, para mo sa yan, pampagising lang. Hey!
in a material world. In a material world. In a material world. In a material world.
Boys may come and boys may go, and that's alright, you see. Experience have made me rich, and now they after me. 'Cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know the way I live in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know the way I live in a material world, and I am a material girl. Ha ha. Ha ha. I'm material. I'm material. I'm material. I'm material.
In a material world.
In a material